going to be a part 2 of the wig series. Today I'm going to teach you guys how to put this on and how to style it, and obviously you guys can tell what it's going to look like on a person. So if you guys want to learn how to install this wig, please keep on watching. Moment we've all been waiting for. Dun dun dun. Okay, and then we just flip it backwards. That was the worst. So guys, we are back for another wig film. Wig video. Me and my wig. I am going to be putting it on today, which is actually very exciting because I have been wanting to try it, but I did want to try it with you guys. So here goes. I don't have, again, any instructions. Do we go with finding instructions or do we wing it? Unfortunately, there actually isn't an instruction in the box. It just had how to clean it. I mean, it can't be that hard. If I can do this, this is fabuloso. Alright guys, we are going to be taking this thief mask, or I should refer to it by the actual name. What is it? It's a wig cap. Well, it's one of those things that like thieves put over their head when they're gonna go rob a bank. I'm still shocked that she would pose for this. Like I said it in my other video. Like, what the heck was she thinking taking that job? It came in this. It's a one size fits all. And yeah, there's not much to it. So I'm just going to take this out. There's two. I don't know why. Probably if I knew what I was doing, I wouldn't wonder why. Oh, it's probably like a backup, I guess, because these... Oh yeah, okay, we got it. This is a puzzle we're going to be doing. I am genuinely embarrassed of doing this on camera because I just feel like I'm really not going to look the way... Let's just move on to brushing out this wig because it is a little bit tangled, and before I put it on, I'd rather brush it out than to leave it for last minute. So just take a comb that isn't too tight, I don't know, bristled, because you want something that has like a wider space in between so that it doesn't pull out the hair. Just be very careful, like very light. Don't ever yank it hard because these are really sensitive and they can come out really easily. So just be very mindful of that and just very lightly brush it. I usually, if I have a huge knot, usually grab the, what do you call it? See, like this is the cap part. I just grab the ends and I just hold it like this and then brush it through while holding this part tight so that it doesn't yank the root. I think I honestly just like swallowed a hair piece. Let's just get this over with. I'm going in with this cap. I believe it's probably a better idea to do a lower ponytail so that you can tuck everything away. So I'm just going to do a ponytail here, this low, pull everything back, and then what you want to do is separate your hair into two, like that. And then I'm just going to come around this area and pin it down, okay? And just pushing that in. Just put a few so that you can secure it properly. Such a cute hairstyle. I always like, I mean, questionably so. And then the other one, a little bit more behind it. Now, the moment we've all been waiting for. Dun dun dun. Okay, I'm gonna try to fast forward through this. So just put everything in there. Oh my god, this is so funny. Not so funny. The wig is like this. This is where the front parting is. I'm just gonna be tipping it like this and then shoving my head in there. Not really shoving, but like you just place it from front to back, okay? And then just kind of shimmy it back. And please don't judge just yet, because we do have a lot of adjusting to do before it actually starts looking proper. So just for the combing, I'm just taking a piece, holding the ends very lightly, very lightly. So I personally never wear my part in the middle because it just doesn't look good on me, and right now it clearly doesn't look good on me. But I heard that you can easily shift the parts. So let's give that a go, because I cannot walk out of the house with a middle part. I mean, it's the biggest travesty ever. So as you guys can see from the sides, we have to glue that down. So I do have to go and buy a specific glue, but it gives you a really beautiful and natural hairline, which is one of the most important things when it comes to wigs, because that's where you can actually tell if a wig is like fake hair or if that person's hair is actually theirs. And that's why lace wigs are so much more expensive. I mean, one of the reasons, because they do have a lot more natural hairline. So like it looks a lot more real. So yeah, hypothetically, if I was wearing this today, I'd have to, first of all, I have to trim it. And then on the side, there's this clear glue that you can use. Oh my God. I mean, I'm just looking fabulous right now. See, middle part just does not look good on me. Yeah, I'm going to try to brush it and see if it's going to work with me. Alright guys, so this part is standing weird only because I haven't cut it off. Other than that, the hairline I'm actually really impressed by. Like you can, if you see it up close, wow, I'm losing my voice. If you see it up close, it looks very natural. And by the way, side note, I just went and looked at myself in the mirror and oh my God, in person, this looks so much more beautiful. I'm not even joking. Because right now it's like studio lighting, so it makes it look a little bit more, what do you call it? It makes it look a little bit more like shiny, more than it needs to be, but it's actually not like that. In person, it actually has like a very beautiful sheen that's not too much. So in person, I'm honestly really loving it. More than what I see in the camera. I actually really like it in person. Okay, I'm gonna go and get my hair color. I'll be back. I'm back after 40 minutes of looking for this damn hair curler. So as I mentioned before, I don't wear my hair in the middle part, and I've noticed that this wig really easily molds into any part that you want, whether it's like way back here, in the middle, to the side. I feel like as long as you're gently brushing it through, it actually gives you the desired parting. Oh my God. Okay, we're gonna take this side out since we're gonna actually style this, but okay, so it is hot AF in here and I'm burning. I don't know why I wore a hoodie, but I am just grabbing a hair curler. Oh my God, I can't say hair curler tonight. Hair curler. My hair curler. And I'm just grabbing a small strand like this. Clearly my plug is not close enough. And I'm just going to be putting this around. I feel like I have a very southern accent today. Around. I'm just going to be holding that right there until I feel like it's hot. Okay, and release. Usually after I curl something, I just hold it up here for a second, let it air out, pinch it a little bit, let it cool off, maybe do a few stomps on it like I am doing. Oh, it's hot. Make sure you don't burn yourself. And voila! Okay, I'm just going to be continuing doing that. I'm going to be doing curls away from my face. So, just like so. And then just holding them. Sorry. And it's totally safe to be curling these hair wigs that they sell. And all of them are going to be away from my face because I kind of want that Barbie doll look. Oh my God, maybe I'm going to be a Barbie this year for Halloween. I've been wanting to be actually dark things because I think it's more sexy, but Okay, being Barbie is totally an option this year. Oh, so hot in here. I am being very cautious in terms of the amount of time I hold on before releasing the curls. I'm really scared of burning the hair, so I just want to be gentle with it. Because it is human hair, it can very easily burn off too, so it's delicate. And so on and so forth. That I did the curls like this one that I have. Wait, this one. This one, so much cuter. I think I might do a few on this side. The more I feel like you curl it, the more playful it becomes, because at the beginning when I did these curls, see, these are not the same as the new ones. So once you curl it and you curl it again on top, it actually ends up becoming more flexible. And I don't know, like the first time you ever use a curling iron on extensions, it's not very easy. But then once you brush it, play with it, the hair strands become a little bit more flexible. It ends up being much nicer. See? So much more nicer. And then I'm just going to be brushing, not brushing, but how beautiful. Oh my god. I actually did not think that it's going to come out this beautiful. Genuinely. Like, that is such a beautiful, glamorous curl. I'm just going to do the same that I did to the other side. Push it. I'm going to tease it with my hands. So guys, the only reason why I didn't cut this off is because I actually don't have the glue to be putting this on right now. So I'm just going to be showing it to you guys like this, but you guys get the point. I just want to trim it right before I actually properly use it for a day out so that I have the glue handy too. But pretty much this is the finished hair look. Super, super cute, bouncy, curly hair. I'm just going to be lightly brushing that so that we get a nice, smooth, luxurious. Oh my god, how pretty. This is such a cute look. I am living for this right now. Doot, doot, doot. So now if you do want to style it and put something like this, the hair to the side, and do something cute like that, you are more than welcome to do so. Style it however it makes it look best with your face shape. But I think this is cute. I really like this. I give it an A+. Love the texture, love the way it fit my head. Super comfortable. It's heavy because it does have a lot of hair on it, but it's nothing that would be uncomfortable or unbearable. Maybe in the summertime it would be hot, but that's up to you if you want to wear it. But I do feel like it turned out to be very natural, and honestly, I wouldn't be able to tell. As long as I get rid of these trimmings, I genuinely wouldn't be able to tell if somebody had this on, and you know, I would have never been able to tell that this is a wig. So very, very natural. I personally think that it is worth the price to pay for a quality wig like this one. So I will leave all the information down below in case you are interested to visit their website and check out what they have. And I will also link this particular one that I got. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this wig tutorial. If you like videos like this, please do let me know in the comments below. And please do tell me what your perception is about, first of all, the color of the wig. If I were to hypothetically dye my hair, do you approve or not? As well, do you think that the wig looks good on me? So please do let me know. I would appreciate it. Please don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to my channel. Until next time.